Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Google Chrome error code DNS Pro Finest bad config on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Google Chrome error, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is reset your network connections. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here, execute these 5 commands one by one to reset your network. There may be a possibility of network related issues, so execute this command one by one in command prompt Windows. ipconfig flushdns, ipconfig registerdns, ipconfig release, ipconfig renew, and last one is winsock reset. Execute all these 5 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows, and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. And once successfully execution of these 5 commands, close the windows and restart your system and check whether your Google Chrome error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command ncpa.cpl and click on OK. All your available networks will show here. Here, right click on your network connection, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet or any other. Simply right click on it and choose properties. Here, under the connection uses the following items. Select the item Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Select it and choose properties. Here, make the check against option, use the following DNS server, and use the following DNS server, and preferred DNS server should be 8888 and alternate DNS server should be 8844. This is a Google DNS server, so change your server address to Google DNS server and click on OK to save the changes. Close the windows and check whether your Google Chrome error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here under available control panel items, look for the option Windows Defender Firewall, or if you have installed any third-party antivirus, then open that, otherwise Windows Defender Firewall. From the left side, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. And here, turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network. Temporarily disable your third-party antivirus or Windows Defender Firewall and click on OK to save the changes. Once your problem is resolved, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall again on your system. If you have installed any third-party antivirus, then temporarily disable it, and after your work finished, enable again and check whether your Google Chrome error resolved or not. If not, open Google Chrome browser and here click on 3 vertical dot against top right corner and choose settings. From the top left corner, click on 3 horizontal line and choose privacy and security. Here, click on delete browsing data. Here from the top menu bar, go to advanced and make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images. So clear your browser cookies and site data and finally click on delete data. One more workaround on the same page. Click on 3 horizontal line against top left corner and scroll down and click on reset settings. Here click on restore settings to their original defaults and finally click on reset setting. Reset your Chrome settings to original defaults. Reset Chrome settings, and after that restart your system. Your problem should definitely be resolved. That's all.